Hey everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today my son Matthew and I are going to be trying to get our 1990 F-350 diesel running. I picked this up about a month ago. I've got one video of me unloading it and kind of a walk around. I'll link to that down in the comments. But right now we've got a couple minor things we got to do to it before we actually try to get it running, so we're going to start off with doing that. You may remember from the previous video that the steering column was broken. I removed it. I tried to film that, but I didn't have the GoPro with me. I just had my phone, and trying to take those bolts out up under there was really difficult to film. So I don't really have much on that. But we did pick up a new steering column, and I'll show you that now. So we had a pretty good day at the pick and pull. Picked up this out of a 91, I believe it was an F-150 Lariat, if I remember correctly. It didn't have a key in it, so I had to put a new cylinder in it. And it is an automatic column, and this is a manual truck, as you can see. But they must have had a run on manual columns, because all the manuals were missing their columns. So we're going to go ahead and try to put this in, and it should be good enough to try to start it. And if we can get it running, drive around the yard, do whatever. So let's we're going to try to put that in now. Matthew, go ahead and see if you can get that ignition switch off. Okay, we got that off. We should cut some zip ties. There's a bunch of wires in there. I think those are for that radio. I won't just start lopping stuff yet. Those out of the way. There we go. Okay. Let's open the hood. What is this wire for here? What is all this crap? Get that out of the way. So much junk. I don't know what happens to old trucks. Okay. Alright, so you want to feed the column through?
Yep.
Alright. It goes over those wires. And then that shifter deal was kind of a hassle. Yeah. Rotate, and then maybe, and it'll bolt up right now. Well, here, I'll hold it up and you see if you can get a couple bolts started. Pull it back a little bit. There's one of them. I'm just going to drop them inside as you can typically find them.
There, they're both started.
Really?
Yep.
All right. Does that look right?
A little bit more to the right. A little bit more. That's perfect.
All right, I'm going to have to... Oh, maybe that wiring harness will hold that in place. That's easy enough to do. Come on, come on. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's on. Sweet. tool.
That fits. Good start. Yeah, this panel bellows back here is what seals the steering column to the far wall to prevent noxious fumes, squirrels, walnuts, whatever from getting inside the cabin and killing you in the future.
There's a hole right there. Get that one started. I believe there's 5 of these. Let's get it started. That one started. And they're just these sheet metal screw deals. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is tighten up this little clamp here. Last two we need to tighten up. These two that Matthew started here. Those are 15 millimeter. Fun thing about working on trucks from the 90s, 80s and 90s is you get to use metric ends. Is that one? I can't see. There we go. Steering column installed. This is supposed to go over the top. Hook up these. Where's the ignition switch? I wonder if we should have hooked that up first. Oh yeah, we should have hooked the ignition switch up first. All right, we gotta drop this back down, I think. Yeah, I gotta drop that back down. Are the tools still put together? Yeah, good. All right. Loosen this. All the way down. Okay. All right, that's snapped in. Go ahead and run this over the top of the column. The blinker switch. Right now, put these two guys back in. There it started. Last thing we gotta do is hook up the turn signal cable here. There, it's in all the way. I think the tabs broke. Yeah, the tabs broke. Hey guys, this is getting pretty long. I'm going through editing the video, and I think what I'm going to do is break this up into multiple pieces. So I'm going to wrap up part 1 here after we get the steering column in, and the next video will be continuing to try to get it running. Thanks for watching.